Are you planning to open an Etsy shop in 2024? Here's some crucial information you need to know. In 2024, Etsy has introduced 3 new requirements for opening a shop that are different from previous years. Firstly, there's an enhanced identity check as part of the shop setup process. Etsy is employing a third-party software, Persona, where you'll need to upload a photo ID such as a driver's license or passport and take a selfie to verify your identity. It might feel like a bit of an infringement on your privacy, but it's all in the name of ensuring safety and trust within the Etsy community. The second change is the introduction of a fee for new shops. This cost is designed to support enhanced security and verification measures. While it might feel like a hit to your startup budget, it's a measure that's been put in place to uphold the integrity of the platform. The third change hasn't been specified yet, but with the first 2 being quite substantial, it's safe to say that it will be just as significant. These changes are significant and will affect how you set up your Etsy shop. It's important to keep these in mind as you embark on your Etsy journey, and make sure that you're prepared for these new requirements. Let's delve into how these changes will impact your Etsy shop. Now, the first thing to note is that these changes will only apply to newly created shops. If you already have an Etsy shop up and running, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Your shop won't be affected by these new requirements. However, if you're thinking about opening an Etsy shop this year, it's crucial to understand what these changes mean for you. The new enhanced identity check might seem intimidating, but it's a measure put in place to ensure the safety and integrity of the Etsy community. You'll need to provide a valid photo ID and a selfie during the shop setup process. This step is to confirm your identity and deter any fraudulent activities on the platform. Then, there's the introduction of a new fee for setting up shop. While the exact amount is yet to be disclosed, it's something you'll need to factor into your initial budget. This fee is designed to support the enhanced security measures and ensure the platform remains a trusted place for buyers and sellers alike. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, it means that you'll need to make an informed decision about opening an Etsy shop. Do your research, understand the requirements, and consider the costs involved. As we wrap up, remember, if you're planning to open an Etsy shop in 2024, these changes are something you should consider. As we conclude, let's summarize the key points. Etsy is introducing new changes in 2024, transforming the way shops operate. These changes include enhanced identity checks and new fees for shop setup, aimed at promoting security and verification. If you're considering opening a shop on Etsy, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with these new requirements. It's always wise to delve deeper into Etsy's policies to make an informed decision. Stay informed, stay updated, and happy selling on Etsy.